right, so we are gonna come in with the gold. And pour from up high white. So that's what we're gonna start with. And then come in with some Prussian blue. I have a Sapphire, This Little Piggy, and I lightened it with some Pearl Medium. And then I have Anthraquinone blue. I come in with a little bit of gold, which probably not gonna need. And then some of my white. Sapphire. Prussian blue. I'm gonna do some white here. And then I have like a bright aqua, but I lightened it up a bit with some white. We'll come in with Anthraquinone blue. Prussian blue. Metallic brushed sapphire. I'm gonna move that out of, no, I'll put it out a little more there. Come in with the brush. All right, now we're going to start pouring. I'm gonna put down white in the center of my canvas. I'm liking it, but I'm gonna pull this, let's get some control in with our center. I barely breathed. This is a 24 by 24 inch canvas. Trying to see, this is, I believe, a 32 ounce cup. I'm not sure where to go with this, but maybe, no, I need to use my other hand. Now I think what I want to do There we go. I think that'll do. But I love what's going on here. I'm gonna pop these air bubbles. There are a lot. We are going to wait a few minutes and let it percolate, and then we will start stretching it out in just a moment. Absolutely love this center, so I kind of want to bring that back over to the facing the corner. This is a 24 by 24 inch canvas, and I'm so trying not to really screw it up. The larger you go, the harder it is. So I'm gonna just start rocking it back and forth. Come back like this. I'm actually gonna come like that, because I want to move what's going on over here. There we go. Back to the middle. And back to the middle. Sorry if you guys haven't been able to see certain things. And back to the middle. I want to come down to that corner. This way first. I don't want to lose too much. There we go. And then of course we're gonna come back to the middle again. I'm going to the side, and then I'm gonna tilt up to hit the corner here. I love this piece. I actually just want to put it down for a minute because it has gotten pretty heavy. I can't even put my hands over the canvas right now because I will just drip paint everywhere. Alright, so I think what I want to do is bring this off over here. I'm gonna grab another pair of gloves because I'm wearing white and a really nice shirt. But, see, we are gonna bring it back to this corner, and I love what's going on in here. Kind of looks like tree branches, even though it's not, but still. So we're gonna give this a torch because there's lots of air bubbles still. I did just mix up my paints. Actually, just gonna come back to this corner. You really don't want to layer up a cup to cover it. Come back over here. I love this piece. Okay. Yeah, so this is where I'm going to just stop and let this, let it dry. And go from there, because there's just way too much going on, and I love it, and I don't want to screw up any more of it. I love the wispiness in here. So we're definitely gonna come back to this piece when it's dry and see how it ended. But let's bring you guys in. I am gonna have to fix up corners and stuff like that after you guys see the close-ups, but that'll be okay. Hold on. All right, so what's going on here? There we go. All right, I love all these eerie looking lines in here. That is really, really cool. And then the wispiness over here. And the cells. So it's a pretty unique piece, and I couldn't be more pleased. With that being said, I really want to thank you guys for being here today and joining me. If you didn't get a chance, go back to, I think, last week. I did my 500th pour, which I'm really excited about. And why don't I show you guys what that looks like? Hold on one sec. Hi guys, so I just wanted to show you the dried results, and here it is. It is beautiful. I'm really, really happy about this one. It is like crazy dimensional. So you guys have been great. Stay tuned for my next video on Wednesday. We're just gonna do a quick little Dutch pour, and I think that's it. Have a great day.